Guys, we're going downstairs to get a snack real quick. I have a sales call in about 45 minutes, so we're gonna refuel and replenish. Just had the nastiest tricep and shoulder workout I've ever had in my life. And it was only like a 45-minute workout, which is pretty crazy. So that just tells you guys that it's not the quantity of time you spend in the gym, it's the quality.
Brian. Don't film me.
Guys, that's an alarm for my sales call in 45 minutes. Bam. Should I start at OnlyFans?
Maybe. We make a lot of money like.
Guys, look at this Halloween decoration over here. Sure. Can you give me some more watermelon? Thanks. Guys, she actually pays for all my bills. She's like my sugar mommy.
So how cute my shoes is.
Oh, bro, they don't have the lemon soda anymore. Oh. What are you getting? Guys, we're getting hot pot tonight, so it's like 5:30 right now. So she's getting a snack to hold her over so she doesn't get too hangry. Do you have pineapple?
Yeah.
Where?
Pineapple? I don't think so.
What is this? Banoffee?
Look, right. They have. Is that how you like push it and then like made a hole?
Yeah. Guys, this is the best watermelon ever since they've installed this refrigerator. You're all good. I've been getting watermelon every single day. Yeah.
How much is it?
80.1.
Why are you gonna point one for?
Because tips.
Let me see.
Look at this, guys. 80.1 baht for seedless watermelon. That's around $2, I think $1.30. Something like that. I'm not the currency exchange master, but it's a pretty good estimate. We're back in the funnel. Is that basil rice? Guys, the parking for my bike is over there. It's pretty chill. You just literally park there, walk in there, and then just go to my room, so not too shabby. And guys, if you ever come to Thailand, this is like the main attraction. It's like this coffee machine. You literally just buy coffee, and then you can play games while you wait for your coffee. You can, it's kind of like gamifying the shopping and the vending machine. Like you earn points, and you can get like free coffees later on. But they have like, oh, I'll show you. So let's see here. Let's go to English. So look, they have coffee, tea, milk and cocoa, soda, healthier choices. But let's see here. You got like all this stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And guys, if you ever want to taste the light of the universe, it's seedless watermelon with a little bit of salt, and that's just peak hydration, peak tastiness. Connie loves it, right?
Lots of water.
She said yes. Guys, back to my room. If you guys ever want to visit, my room is right around here. Just ring the doorbell before you come. So, and prefer to let you guys know to text me in advance before you guys come. Don't want any creepy intruders. Oh shit. Here's the workstation where I'm about to make some money. And there's Kanye's workstation where she's studying cancer in kids. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's what Thai girls are like in 2025. Was that a threat?